Hello, today's video I just would like to share my experience with my GoPro 10. I bought this GoPro 10 on the 5th February 2022 last year, and today video record on 24th July 2023. So basically 1 year and 4 months how old this my GoPro 10 is. In the first 6 months I think I used perfectly fine. And now after 6 months, then it has problem like off and on. I still can use, but it's kind of off and on. Sometimes the only front screen work. And now it's completely dead, I would say. But I still have a hope. I turn on every day and sometimes it work. But now let's see today. As you can see, I charged the battery here. The battery is green, so that means it's full. Okay, the battery in, and then let's turn it on. Hopefully it work. Should work. Turn it on. Normally you want one press and I will turn it on, right? But now it's didn't work at all. I searched on the internet and some guy suggests
What to do is, instead of just tapping the button, I want you to press and hold for at least, hold it up to 15 seconds, okay? If it doesn't come on after 15 seconds, you can just go ahead and let it go.
Let's do this and hope that will work. Okay, press. So there's nothing happened. Maybe I'll take the SD card out and try it again. This time I probably hold the recorder button and off and on button at the same time. Hold it, press it as long as I could hold. There we go. I could move that and slowly. That's photo mode, but no in the front screen. Yeah, that's it. My GoPro come to the end now. I probably give up. I try many methods that from the internet, and I am going to do with it. Maybe I hope I will go to the shop to find a shop, that electronic shop thing, and let's hope that it could fix it. So after my GoPro 10 half dead, half alive, and basically I cannot use it anymore, and I tried to go to 5 different shops in Vietnam and none of them accept to fix my GoPro. So I decided to buy Insta360 X3 action camera, this one. So I saw a lot of people use it, and it creates such a wonderful view. So I would like to use as well, just to capture my activities and holidays with the families, and whenever I go, just store as a memory for the family. That is my purpose, really. Yeah, I'm so excited to see and unbox this one. Just would like to see what inside the box as well. So it has the camera itself, and let's take this out. I don't want to drop it. And inside here, also in the box, I assume this is all the charger. Yeah, it's USB, and then what else? Oh, has the little case as well. So that's good. At least protect the lens. The lens is very sensitive. If scratched, that's it for this camera. There's the disadvantage of this action camera actually. Either you should buy the lens protection, which is I bought actually. They also bought me the long 3-meter sticks. It's quite expensive and I probably can afford it, but this is the gift for my birthday, and my wife family bought it, including my 360 camera as well. The longest stick that I ever have. This look, quality is good because it's quite very pricey. It's £110 for this price, and for this camera is, yeah, you can check on the website. This is my wife brother bought it from the US because they came from the US. In fact, in US cheaper than in UK, so that's why we bought from US instead. I ordered a spare battery as well. 2 spare battery now. I think it's probably enough for my Insta360 X3 I just can't wait to see the footage from Insta360 X3 giving to me.